Hello, welcome to e-learning on December 10th. If you're not feeling well, remember that this isn't due for a week and I encourage you to just rest. If you are feeling up to it, please email me if you have any questions or send me a message. You can do that through the inbox. To get to the module, there's a couple of ways to do that. You can go through the calendar. I haven't posted it yet, but it will be there for you on the 10th, and there'll be a button that says e-learning that you can click there. Or you can click on courses. Go to Mrs. Donahue 2018 and 19 and then click on modules. You will want to make sure that you're on the correct module and it should say December 10th. If it's taken you up to the top from other e-learnings throughout the year, just make sure that you scroll down and it should say December 10th. Morning message is where you're at right now, and then our day will follow a typical school day. We start off with a mini lesson where I'm reading you a story and we're talking about characters' feelings. You'll make an inference about how you think the character feels. For word work, we're doing some work with synonyms and antonyms. For read to self, you're going to read some books on Big Universe that have to do with holidays around the world that goes along with what we've been discussing at school. Then you can take a brain break if you're up to it. Can't stop the feeling. For writing, you're going to write a letter to me about a holiday tradition that you do. There is a sample letter in here for you to see so that if you forget how to write a friendly letter, the format is here with the date, the greeting, the body, the closing, and the signature. For math, let me scroll down here. We're going to review plane shapes and solid shapes, and you're going to go on a shape hunt around your house. There are 2 BrainPop videos to review the difference between plane shapes and 3D shapes. If you feel comfortable with that and don't need to watch the video, feel free to just do the shape hunt. Those videos are there for you if you need them to review. The number talk, you're going to create a poplet showing a number in different ways. Dreambox, and then social studies. There is a BrainPop video to review winter holidays, and then you're going to listen to the story Legend of Poinsettias by Tommy DePaulo, and this will introduce the activity that we're going to do when we return to school with our holidays around the world. You'll then have an ending message from me, and then you'll go to Ms. Roth's page to do e-learning for Jim. At the bottom of each lesson, you'll have the next buttons and previous buttons is another way for you to get from activity to activity. So you can just push those. Again, if you get kicked out of the module, you can get to it from the calendar, you can get to it from courses and pushing module, or you have the previous and next buttons down below. If you have any questions, let me know.